Okay, today I'm showing you how to make a full mind map with ChatGPT. No extra apps, no downloads. It just draws it for you. First, just head to chatgpt.com and start a new chat. Make sure you're not in the reasoning or thinking mode. Image generation needs the regular model, so I'm on the standard one. Now just tell it what you want. I'm going with personal finance for beginners. Center idea, 4 main branches: budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, with a few sub-branches under each. The more specific you are, the better it turns out. Hit send, give it a few seconds while it draws, and there it is, a full mind map already laid out with branches and labels. If something's missing or the text is too small, just ask for changes right in the same chat. I'm adding an emergency fund branch and bumping up the text size. It'll redraw the whole image for you. Once you're happy with it, just click the download icon on the image and it saves straight to your device. That's your finished mind map. And that's it. One prompt and ChatGPT draws the whole mind map for you. Follow for more quick AI tips like this.